Meaning of Duracell.
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 Duracell. Duracell is a brand of batteries that was founded in the 1920s. The name Duracell was derived from the words durable and cell. The aim of Duracell's batteries is to provide long-lasting energy for various electronic devices. Their batteries are particularly known for their reliable power and extended lifespan. Duracell has become one of the most recognizable brands of batteries worldwide, and is renowned for its commitment to sustainability through its partnerships and initiatives aimed at reducing waste and advancing clean energy solutions.